Ever heard, the bigger they are, the harder they fall? This philosophy couldn't more true in Quasar Blue MD's fight against acne. Our blue light therapy with a larger treatment head goes straight to the root of the problem, and destroys acne from the core without the need for irritating topical products. Consider this prescription strength powerhouse your very own in-house dermatologist. Treatments are quick, easy, and convenient, and the results will last weeks and even months with only the occasional touch-up required. The Quasar MD Blue requires 3 to 5 treatments per week or as needed for optimal results. Each treatment may take up to 24 minutes. Remember to always begin treatment with a clean face and unplug and store your device after use. Most importantly, read your instruction manual. It provides complete instructions for treatment procedures, benefits, care, and warranty. Kill acne bacteria 50% larger treatment area lifetime warranty item dimensions, 1075 x 7.75 x 3 in. For more info and special discounts please click the link below.